Hey guys, I'm just here in my kitchen today. I don't even know what day it is of Sydney lockdown, but I just decided to make a fish pie just to keep me occupied. So I'm gonna make a fish pie for you guys. I hope you like it. It's a lockdown fish pie. Okay guys, so you might be wondering what kind of ingredients go into making a fish pie. I am gonna walk you through those right now. So ingredients for the fish pie. I'm obviously using fish, and the fish that I'm using today, I've got some salmon without the skin, so it's skinless salmon, and I'm actually using some bassa today, but you can use any type of sort of white fish. I think cod works well, barramundi works really well, ling, you could use that as well. Any kind of sort of white fish fillet is good. That's going to make the foundation of my dish. And then to start the dish off, I'll be using some spring onions to give it a bit of flavour, some celery just sliced up, some garlic. You guys know how much I love garlic. Got to put it in everything. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but I just love the flavour profile of garlic and the health benefits too. And we're going to put some peas in as well, a bit of zest and zing with some lemon and some Dijon mustard as well for a bit of bite. And I'm also using, instead of using milk and cream, I'm actually going to be using some coconut cream in this recipe to give it that sort of body and thickness without using flour. And instead of traditionally using potatoes on top, I want to make this recipe a little bit more low carb, so I'm going to be using some cauliflower on the top, like puffy cauliflower on top.
Thinking of you is like my daily meditation, and I don't know if it's right or wrong. I just hope you hear this song. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think of.
Next up, I'm going to add some olive oil to the pan and saute my celery and spring onions and garlic. Give that a stir as well. I like to use the small minted peas. They make a beautiful addition to this dish. Squeeze of lemon. Give that a stir too. I'm going to add in my fish. I've just chopped that up into sort of cubes, about 2 to 3 centimeters, and I'll pop that through.
Wonder if you even knew my name. I know that there is more to life than love, and I don't care because I'd rather be here with you than with my friends. And I know that might sound a little strange, but don't you know your love's taking me away.
Okay, the fish pie is ready to go into the oven. I'm going to pop it in for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I think it's going to taste fin-tastic.
Waste my time. See, I like you, you know I do. So why is it so hard for you to tell me the truth? To tell me the
Fish
truth.
pie. Yum. So good. What do you think, Oscar?